In case you didn't know, there is a copy trading service. Yes, I don't actually think I've mentioned this on many videos before, but there is an actual way that you can copy my trades, like literally my trades. And in this specific video, I just want to give you like an update in regards to how to use this copy trader, what are the results so far, and so on. So in this video, that's what we're gonna do. Hey everyone, Christian here on YouTube. Welcome to a brand new video for the channel. Today we're gonna talk about the BLW Forex copy trader, a way that you can copy all my trades without you placing no trade whatsoever. So if you're new to my channel and you're into Forex, crypto, or any type of making money online, this channel is for you. Hit that subscribe button below and let's begin. All right, so here's the deal with this copy trader. By any chance you're wondering like, Chris, what's this copy trader that you're talking about? It's actually this one that you see right here. The link is in the description of this video. You can look it up for blwforexcopytrader.com. And it is an actual service that I opened to the public around a month ago, maybe, I'm not 100% sure. And that basically what it does is that it allows you to copy all of my Forex positions. The way it works is that you connect your broker, or I connect your broker to my main account, and whatever trades I place are gonna be copied into your account. As simple as that. You can find way more information in regards to it at blwforexcopytrader.com. Take a look. The link will be in the description of this video. And I do recommend you to join my free Telegram channel. The link's always in the description. And so that you can actually see any discounts that are available at the time that you actually watching this video. Maybe you can save a few bucks. Okay, but yeah, go ahead and check it out. Now, I do want to share with you an example account of a person that has been copying my trades for the past month, but this person, I'm using this account as an example because this person hasn't really placed any trades on their own, because there are some people who are copying my trades, but they're also like placing trades on their own. Okay, so I'm gonna use one of the accounts that are pretty disciplined. Let's say that they don't actually place any trades on their own. So as you can see right here, we got the balance was actually less than $100,000. It was probably, $99,000 or something like that. And we can actually see a 3.01% total growth, $4,364 throughout the last month, and 4.36%, and so on. All of this information that you see right here. You can find more information right here, but honestly, it doesn't really make a difference. I mean, but it's just that you see an example of an account that is actually, being profitable by just copying our positions. Right now, the account is $103,000. By the way, this week, we all agreed to increase the risk. So probably instead of 3%, we're gonna be talking about a 6% balance increase next week. Okay, so here is pretty much my account, and these are the accounts that the trades are actually being copied. Now, these are the symbols that we use to copy the accounts, and we can see a few of the trades. You can see this, my trade, this was in my account, $2,376, and this is the amount that the person copying the trade actually did. So we can see $294, $151, €5, this is a small account, 267, and so on. We can even go to the actual list and we can continue like this. Take a look at this one. It's $9, 67, 21, 55, 251. All of these in NASDAQ, by the way. There are a few trades that are not copied, and it actually gives like an error message. And then we can see US 30. This was, by the way, on Thursday because Friday was a holiday. 78, 174, €1, $63, $140, and so on. All of this, the 18. As you can see, 17, we have a new day, more profits going on. This was an amazing week. But now you get to see an example as to how people are getting the results. So one thing that I want to explain is how the trades actually work. Basically, the trades are based on my own strategy. Like, these are the trades that I placed every single day in the BLW signals group when I actually trade 100% live. Which, by the way, if you are in the BLW Forex copy trader, I'm going to to allow you to be part of the VLW Signals group as well, just in case you want to be part of the live trading sessions, and you can either place the trades on your own on a different platform or just listen to the trades that I'm actually placing. Okay, ask questions in regards to the copy trader and so on. So I'm gonna have, once you actually join, inside of your profile you'll be able to join the Signals group channel as well. But pretty much these are live sessions that I actually had. This was on Thursday and it was a 101. I closed it, and this is the US 30. I closed it at 101 as well. All of these positions, like I mentioned, they were placed in the VLW Signals group, which are pretty much right here. Here's my webinar from Thursday. As you can see, here are the signals that I sent, and this is the money that I actually made with people. So again, this is just so that you have an idea as to how the results actually work. You can find more information once you actually join. The link is in the description of this video. Now, one thing that I really want to explain is in regards to the risk. Look, there's been a lot of questions from people that have asked me to increase the risk, or to nobody has ever asked me to lower the risk. We have some red days, but those red days, I make sure there is no 3%, 5% drawdown. Obviously, especially if you have a funded account. So what I do is that I risk usually 1 to 3% a day myself. And so I have your accounts to be either 25% or 50% of that, which means that you're going to be risking 0.25 to like maximum 1% a day. Some people ask me to increase this, and it is possible, especially if you're not a funded trader and you have an actual account, an actual real account, but it's never going to be more than 5%. By default, you're going to have maximum 1% a day, maximum 1% a day. And we usually aim to make 0.5 to 1% a day as well. That way, within 2 weeks, maybe you're able to pass that funded challenge. Obviously, if everything goes according to plan. But we can always increase that as per your request. Always, you are the one that is taking the risk. But just so you know, it's never going to go below 5%. Now, if you're wondering what is the best broker for this specific copy trader, this is just my opinion and my recommendation. The reason why is because that's the one that I use, and that is Liquid Brokers. Liquid Brokers is a broker that is available worldwide, and I mean, it's the one that I use. I have no problems with withdrawals, which is important. I have no problems with market entries, like immediate entries, which is what I do every single day. And more importantly, at the time that you actually copy my trades using this specific broker, obviously you will have a lot more accuracy when it comes to entry price, stop loss, and take profit, because obviously you're going to be using the exact same charts I'm using. This is just my recommendation. I'm going to have the link to it in the description of this video, so you can join this specific broker. You can use any broker you want to, but this is the one that I recommend you. So like I said, I'm going to have the link in the description of this video. And last but not least, people, how can you join? It's actually quite simple. Here's the actual website. You go to view all plans because you want to know exactly what is the pricing that you want to pay. So $99.99 a month is the standard plan. If you get the 6-month plan, you're gonna save $99. That's $100. That's $499.99 for 6 months. And if you get the yearly plan, you will be able to save around $200 from the final price. You get access to all of the features. Now, like I said, go to my Telegram channel. Right now, at the time I'm recording this video, there was a weekend sale, but obviously you're watching this after the weekend, so you won't be able to see that discount. But make sure that you actually go into my Telegram channel and see what discounts we have available. Maybe you find something that suits you better. But overall, this is the actual price, which is not that expensive, especially after all you're getting in exchange. But go ahead and check the link in the description of this video. Hey, so hopefully you enjoyed the content of this video. If you did, go ahead and smash the like button to support this YouTube channel. And more importantly, if you have any questions, comments to share, you can always put them in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer those comments as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.